Hi everyone. So this is just a quick video just to orient you to the two reading assignments that you have to do, the first two reading assignments. So the first one's called Hiding Places. And as you can see right before the text begins, we have a picture. Um, the text says, "I'm 5, this small bathroom where my father sat on the toilet after work and died. And before then, mom took baths with green rubbing alcohol and Epsom salts." It goes on for a while, but this is, you can see that this is a picture of her looking in that bathroom. She's going to be talking about that bathroom, and you can see how the writing is on some level inspired by this picture. So I want you to think about the reading itself, but I want you to recognize that we start off with this picture because our first writing assignment, our what we call creative nonfiction, I'm calling it a picture assignment, but it is we can call it what we call creative nonfiction, which is where you write something true about yourself in a creative way, in a way that is meant to be interesting. It's supposed to be vivid. It's supposed to kind of tell a story about yourself. And so it's going to be, the one that you're going to do is going to be based on a picture, similar to how this is going to be based on a picture. So that's what we have for Hiding Places, and it's relatively straightforward if you read through it. But again, it's kind of based on this picture, and I want you to think about that because, again, you are going to be writing something similar to this that is also going to be based on a picture. Also for today, you're going to need to read my piece called Panama that is similar to that. You can see I've got a picture here. This is me in Panama many years ago. 2010, so that's, oh geez, that's 13, almost 14 years ago. That's a long time ago. When I was in Panama, that's my son at the time. He's considerably older now. And there we are on a beach in Panama. And I'm going to tell the story about that, right, based on this. You can see over here to the right, when you look at this, you'll be able to see some what we call annotations. Annotations are where I kind of explain some ideas. So I say this is the Central American Isthmus. You're like, what's an isthmus? Well, an isthmus is a narrow strip of land with sea on either side, forming a link between two large areas of land. You can look at a map to see why Panama is an isthmus. And so I have some things like that explained, so you can go through and look at that. And again, as you go through, read this, you've got the comments off to the right. And then you're going to respond in the discussion boards. But again, just understand that that's what's going on here. I'm telling a story about something that happened to me, and I have a picture that it's based on. Again, I want you to think about that because you are going to be doing for your first writing assignment, you are going to be writing about a picture as well. And I have some specifics about that. But that's in general what's going on with these readings. There shouldn't be any other questions, but again, if there are any other questions, you can always post them in the Ask Me Anything discussion board. I encourage you to put them there because if you have questions about something like, what some meanings are in the essays, then other students can see those as well. You could email them to me, but then I get multiple students asking me the same questions. So just keep that in mind that that's what's going on with these pieces, and you can go ahead and read them and then respond to the discussion board.